Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you're watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, in this particular video, I'm going to demonstrate DFA, Data Flow Analysis. Guys, DFA is very important when you are implementing DLP solution in your environment, because until and unless you don't know what information needs to be protected, right? You can't do anything with your DLP policy, because you will never get the idea what exactly needs to be monitored and block, as well as ignore. So let me show you how exactly this can be done after this small intro video. Hey, welcome back guys. Now let me just log into our Forcepoint Security Manager console and let me give you one quick walkthrough. In this particular video, I'm not going to spend your lots of time, but whatever I'm going to explain in this video is very important guys. Okay, so make sure you are listening all the things very carefully. Under manage DLP policy, so basically in this particular section we configure all the policies, okay, and the exception or other stuffs we used to configure from the resource section, okay, which we called in this particular policies. But before we start with the policy configuration, what we require, so let me show you that. So once you hit to the YouTube, okay, because I have one dedicated video on that particular topic, so I'm not going to repeat same thing again. So let me just search for my channel, Technical Spark. Open channel from the top of the button and then click on playlist. Under playlist, or you can visit my playlist from playlist section, and here is the DLP section, or you can directly go to the home section, and then this is basically guys, this is just for your information, this is my new channel, okay, where I am teaching trading related stuff, and I used to post videos every week once, or 10 days one video. So let me just scroll down, and here is the DLP. So let's open that particular playlist and scroll down to the bottom, and you will find DFA on the 31. It's a part 31, okay. So let's click on that. If you guys want, you can go through with this entire series if you are interested to learn about the DLP. So total 32 videos are there. Now once you start with this particular video, let me just go to the topic. Okay, so there are a couple of documents which I have explained, which will help you to understand what is exactly DFA. So this is basically introduction type of videos where you interact with your internal IT team or customer IT team, okay, and provide the presentation to them so that they will get to know that what exactly DLP means and how it protects the data which is going out of the systems. There are a couple of documents available, okay, and if you need access to those documents, here is the link. So basically we will have to click on join button, and from this link or from this particular link, and once you get the silver or above membership, you can simply message me on my Telegram channel, okay, or in the community, and I'll share those documents with you. Now let's go back. So this is basically what I used to present to the customers, okay, how exactly DLP works and other stuff. Now when I go to this particular section Excel, okay, so this is where we actually document all the things, data flow analysis tracker. So whatever the activities we are going to do under the DFA, I used to track everything in this particular Excel sheet. If you play this video completely, then you will get the better idea. Now let me just fast forward. So here you can see I have mentioned different types of information, or you can say the data, and where exactly that particular data is false, like department, the sample data, okay, purpose of this particular data, and then what would be the format and the classification type, whether the data is really confidential, restricted, or just public, like this, and information. Now let me just scroll above, and here also I get path. If the data is stored in specific location, then we'll get all the things, okay, and where exactly you need to protect. I mean, when the user shares data to their system, to external world, then how exactly you want to protect, for which medium. So here I have mentioned email. This is because this is just for the example. Okay, now how exactly we interact with the different department and gather the data. So this is one of the template. Okay, so many things are there in this particular guides. Okay, so let me just again fast forward. Keyword classifiers, so much information is mentioned, guys. Okay, so it and this particular documents will really going to help you in your long journey. Okay, and once you gather data from all the systems or all the verticals or departments, then you can summarize all this information like this. Okay, like account department, finance, HR, legal, marketing, MIS, operation, treasury, risk and audit. So you can get all the information from different departments, and once you have proper data available, then as per the requirement, like here risk and audit department, right, then you can create policy based on what inputs you have received from those department. You can configure policy for email, print, web, removable storage. Okay, and it will help you to complete all the policies in faster level. Because if you just start configuring policy by your own without knowing the what needs to be protected, then this is the waste of the money which you have invested on this particular DLP tool. So always gather the data properly and then only implement the policy. And during implementation also, once you implement the policy, you can first put it into the monitor mode, or you can say in Forcepoint language, audit mode. So whatever the activities which your users are doing, you will be able to keep close track on those. Okay, and then basis after monitoring for 10 days, 15 days, 1 month, once you get the proper information, then you can start putting all things into the prevention mode, or you can say block mode. So I'll just recommend, because this is just a high level interview, so I'll recommend to go through this particular video, okay, and watch this completely. This is a 19-minute video and I have explained so many things, guys, just for you. So take benefit of this particular video. And guys, one more thing, I'm just planning to start merchandise where I'll be linking one digital marketplace to buy t-shirts where this particular brand name will be displayed. So let me know how many of you guys are interested to get this type of t-shirts or caps, or if you have any suggestion in designing or other stuff, then do let me know in the comment box. I'll appreciate your feedback. So I'm just hoping that you all guys will watch this video and get the clear idea of what is the DFA. And once you are done, then from next video onwards, we'll start the actual policy configuration. And before policy configuration, if you want me to create video on any specific topic, then let me know. The priority will be given to the members first, who are member of this channel. Okay, so that's it in this video. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.